What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm reviewing an upcoming sneaker from Adidas, the Nite Jogger in white and neutral gray. The first colorway of the brand new Nite Jogger silhouette from Adidas released earlier this year, and it actually did pretty well. It's been a few months since Adidas has really hit a home run with one of their newer silhouettes, but it looks like the Nite Jogger might actually be on pace to change that. And on February 28th, we're actually getting the next $130 Nite Jogger, this time around in white and neutral gray. Huge thank you to Adidas for sending this pair over a little bit early, but with that being said, let's jump into the review. Starting off around the toe of the sneaker, you've got this nice dark gray suede, which feels really good to the touch. Just below that, you've got this sort of cream white mesh covering the toe box for breathability. Continuing back farther on the shoe, you get to these lighter gray and also shorter suede accent panels. Weaving through the eyelets of the sneaker, you've got these flat white and dark gray laces. And just beneath the laces, you've got this sort of yellowish cream nylon tongue. At the top of the tongue, you've got another suede hit with Adidas' logo debossed into it. And then around the edge of the tongue, you've got this exposed foam look, which I understand is definitely a retro touch and it was done a lot in the 80s and 90s, but it's definitely been more popular over the last year or two. Inside this sneaker, you've got this very lightly padded, almost creamish white sock liner. And then rounding off the inside of the shoe, you've got this black sock liner with Adidas' branding in blue. As for fit, I'd say the Adidas Nite Jogger does fit pretty much true to size. If anything, it might be a tad too big, but even with that, it's not much and it's really not noticeable. However, if you do have a chance to try on the sneaker first before you buy it, make sure to do that to make sure the sizing is right for you. Continuing back on the sneaker, you've got this sort of white plasticky nylon material that makes up the midfoot panel. Running around the bottom half of the upper and also spilling over onto the midsole a little bit is this dark gray heel clip. This feature is here for added stability, especially around the heel portion of the midsole, and I've got to say, it seems to work pretty well. Moving even farther back in the shoe, you've got this sort of zigzag hit of 3M and also this hit of suede as well. And then rounding off the heel of the sneaker, you've got this black leather and white mesh. Moving down on the sneaker, you get to this full length and pretty thick boost midsole. It's a very comfortable midsole and feels great underfoot. I have no complaints. And then finally, moving to the bottom of the sneaker, you get to what looks like could be a glow-in-the-dark outsole, but unfortunately it's just sort of a semi-translucent cream-colored rubber. You've also got hits of black, brown, and gray to round off the outsole look. Overall, the Adidas Nite Jogger is a great lifestyle silhouette. It's heavily 90s inspired with a modern twist, and it only costs $130, which isn't bad. Out of the two colorways that have released so far, I definitely prefer this newer white and neutral gray colorway over the original black and sort of orange colorway. I just think this is a cleaner look overall. But that pretty much wraps up my review for today. Now I would love to know your thoughts on the brand new Adidas Nite Jogger and whether you're planning to grab a pair for yourself, so make sure to leave those comments in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.